Introducing the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. Your ticket to a healthier, hassle-free breakfast routine. Are you tired of juggling between pans and toasters every morning? Do you want a breakfast station that not only simplifies your life but also helps you cook healthier meals? Well, your search ends here with the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker. Let's dive right into why the GreenLife Breakfast Maker is a game changer for your mornings. First and foremost, our breakfast maker features a healthy ceramic nonstick coating that's not only easy to clean but is also derived from sand. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals like PFAS and cadmium. With GreenLife, you get effortless food release and worry-free cooking. But it doesn't stop there. The curing phase for our ceramic coating creates 60 less CO2 compared to traditional non-stick coatings. So you're not just cooking a great breakfast, you're also making a conscious choice for the environment. Are you in the mood for eggs and veggies? Or maybe pancakes and bacon? The GreenLife Breakfast Maker features dual griddle compartments, offering you the space to cook two different things at the same time. Imagine the convenience of having a complete breakfast cooked to perfection in one go. No more guessing games! With our handy glass lid, you can easily monitor the progress of your food as it cooks to perfection. And guess what? We've even included a bonus bread drawer that can make up to 2 pieces of toast while the rest of your meal is sizzling away. Our built-in timer ensures that you can keep track of your meal's progress while you go about your other morning business. The cool touch handles make it easy and safe to remove the lid, and the rubber feet keep your breakfast maker nice and steady on your kitchen countertop. The GreenLife Breakfast Maker isn't just functional, it's stylish too. Available in 3 beautiful colors, pink, white, and turquoise, it seamlessly fits into your kitchen decor. But wait, there's more. Our breakfast maker isn't just for breakfast. It's perfect for any meal of the day. Get creative with lunch and dinner options too. Versatility meets convenience with GreenLife. So, what are you waiting for? Simplify your mornings, cook healthier meals, and do your bit for the environment with the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. Order yours now and start your day the GreenLife way. GreenLife, because your mornings deserve the best. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting kitchen solutions from GreenLife. And remember, every day is a good day to start with GreenLife.